I'm late, said Florence. Well, don't do it again, said Zebedee. Shall we go? All right, said Florence, and they did. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33... Hello, Dougal, said Florence. What are you doing? 19... Oh, you've made me miss my place now, said Dougal. Oh, sorry, said Florence. I'll have to start all over again now, said Dougal. Do you want any help? Asked Florence politely. Oh, that's very kind, but I'm expecting a special delivery of daisies any minute as it happens, and I can manage perfectly well on my own. Thank you very much. Oh, said Florence. I'm glad you dropped by, though, because I meant to ask you. You wouldn't by any chance have any... You don't have any... sugar, do you? I thought you'd given up, said Florence. Oh, I could stop just like that, said Dougal. Here we are, said Florence. The trouble with sugar, said Dougal, fetching the hammer, is that it's very bad for your teeth. Said Florence. Shall we go and see if your delivery has arrived yet? All right, said Dougal. Ermintrude was walking along the railway tracks. No, nothing, she said. What on earth are you doing? Snorted Dougal. I'm listening for the train. What does it look like? Said Dougal. Oh, said Florence. Yes, if I put my ear to the ground, I can hear a mouse scratching its nose 4 miles away, said Ermintrude. Cows can do that sort of thing, you know. Pink cow speak with forked tongue, said Dougal. Yes, I think a train passed by this way several days ago. A diesel, I think, but there's definitely nothing coming now, said Ermintrude. Well, I might as well sit down on the tracks and relax, said Ermintrude. Chew the cud, as they say. Oh, get off the track, you half-witted hippopotamus, said Dougal. There's a train coming. I think there is, you know, said Florence. Oh, nonsense, said Ermintrude. Don't be silly.
Oh, there's something on the line. Help, help, it's a hold-up. Hold, it's a stick-up. Hip, hip, it's a hiccup, said the train.
Watch out for Ermintrude, said Florence. The trouble with sitting on the railway track, said Ermintrude, is that you just don't seem to be able to get comfy.
Oh, it's a herd of elephants. It's a pink avalanche. It's got spots on. Whoa, whoa!
I can't watch this, said Dougal, and went off to pick some more flowers. Ah, that's better, said Ermintrude. Ooh. What's this? Daisies? What's going on here, said Zebedee. Looks as if I arrived just in time. Ermintrude's got her eye on Dougal's daisies, said Florence, and went. Well, there's no need to take that tone, said Ermintrude.
Cows,